The Lion and the Bull. A strange friendship begins.
Hello, wonderful story explorers. Today, we're diving into an ancient book of tales from India called the Panchatantra. It's filled with amazing animal stories that teach us important lessons about life. Our first big adventure starts in a green and peaceful forest where a mighty lion named Pingalaka was the king. King Pingalaka was brave and strong, and all the animals respected him. King Pingalaka had two very clever jackals who helped him with advice. Their names were Damanaka and Karataka. Damanaka was super smart, but he always wanted to be the most important. Karataka was smart too, but much kinder. One sunny morning, as King Pingalaka was out for a walk, he suddenly heard the loudest sound he had ever heard. Boom! Boom! It was a strange, deep bellow, and it made the mighty Lion King feel a little bit nervous. What creature makes such a noise? He wondered. The two jackals saw that their king was worried. Karataka asked, "My lord, what troubles you?" But Damanaka, always thinking of a way to become more important, saw his chance. "This is my moment," he thought. "If I find out what that sound is, the king will surely praise me." So Damanaka stepped forward and bravely told the king, "Don't worry, my lord. I will go and find out what that mysterious sound is." Damanaka crept quietly through the trees, following the loud sound. And what did he find? It wasn't a monster at all. It was a huge, friendly bull named Samjivaka. Samjivaka was a farm bull who had gotten lost and was enjoying the tasty grass in the forest. His loud bellow was just his natural way of calling out. Damanaka was so excited. He knew this bull was not dangerous. He quickly approached Samjivaka and with a respectful bow invited him to meet the Lion King, promising him safety. Damanaka led Samjivaka back to King Pingalaka. The king was so relieved and happy. He saw that Samjivaka was kind and wise. And guess what? The brave Lion King and the gentle bull became the very best of friends. They spent hours talking, and Samjivaka even became the king's most trusted advisor. It was a most unusual but wonderful friendship. But not everyone was happy about this new friendship. Damanaka and Karataka watched with growing jealousy. Damanaka felt left out. He had brought the bull to the king, but now the bull was the king's favorite. Damanaka whispered to Karataka, "Oh dear, we made a mistake. This bull has taken our place. We are no longer important." He shook his head. "I must find a way to break this friendship and get our power back." And so a wonderful friendship had begun. But a dark plan was already starting to form in Damanaka's clever mind. Will Damanaka succeed in breaking the strong bond between the lion and the bull? You will have to find out in the next part of our story. If you enjoyed this story, please give us a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next exciting fable. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Tales, Fables and Chronicles.